Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple shake video effect in CapCut PC. So in here, you just need to add the clips that you want to edit and then add at least 2 audio into the timeline along with the clips. So I'm going to go to the audio and find 2 different audio. So for example, in here, I'm going to just find walking sound effect first. Okay, this is for the first clip. I'm going to delete the rest of them and adjust it like this. And after that, for the next the rest of the clips, I'm going to add a dance music. Okay, so I'm going to just add this ones right here. I'm going to trim it first. Then you can just click on the second audio and go to the eye here to mark the beats. Choose beats 2. You can see the beats has been marked. Now you can just trim all of the clips to match with the marker in here. So I'm going to trim it like this. I'm going to go with the second beats for all of the clips, just like this. So if you have more than 3 clips, you can add until the rest of the audio finish. So I'm going to just delete the rest of the audio like this. Then you can just click on the first clip in here, then go to the animations combo, then add the sway out animations, this one. Okay, and for the rest of the clips, go to the in animations and add the shake 2 animations. This is shake 1. Okay, this one shake 2. Adjust it how you like it. Sorry. I'm going to adjust the video again. Now you can just click on the first and add the shake. So right click on the second video and you can adjust, find these copy attributes, then select the rest of the clips, right click and click on paste attributes. So the animations will be applied to the rest of the clip. Click on paste and that's it. This will be the result. So that's how you can create the shake effect. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.